So your son, we have a warrant for your son.
Let me see it.
So we do not have it in hand.
Well, then you do not have a warrant. You say you're here with a warrant, but then you say you don't have a warrant.
Sir, we're not trying to play any tricks on you, okay? There is paperwork for him to go up to the intake officer to get that paperwork signed, okay?
Yeah, well then I will wait until it's signed. Unless there's a warrant, we're in the curtilage of our home, and according to Collins v. Virginia 2018, we do not have to come out. I can quote knock and talk, I can quote constitutional law, I can quote case law, judicial precedent, whichever route you want to go, but he will not come out. Sorry, no can do.
Yo, out my house. First of all, out my house. Dad's and Bain number now. All right, come on, out my door, officer, out my door. Come on. You ain't gonna run up in my house like that.
Nobody ran up.
No, you ain't running up in my house like
Nobody
that.
ran up.
Sir, you just invaded my privacy. All right, that's Title 18-242. You're not gonna do that to me. That's not happening today.
We have cops violating rights. Let's watch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Peeps, and today we have cops trying to enter homes without a warrant. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Leave a comment and a like to help this video spread for others to enjoy. As always, I will leave the links to all the original videos in the description below, so be sure to visit their channels and show them your support. Now let's get into the video. Cops will often show up at people's homes with arrest warrants, wanting to enter the home in hopes that the occupants are ignorant of the law. An arrest warrant is not the same as a search warrant, and the man in this next clip is well informed of this process.
I'm familiar with
Let's
the law.
watch as this cop gets denied and sent packing.
So your son, we have a warrant for your son.
Let me see it.
So we do not have it in hand.
Well, then you do not have a warrant.
I'm sorry?
Then you do not have a warrant. What are your officers' names? Give me your names and badge numbers, please. Names and badge numbers.
I'm Sergeant Ando.
Badge number.
3841.
Your name.
Moya. 4468.
And your name.
Brown. 4515.
You say you're here with a warrant, but then you say you don't have a warrant.
The paperwork's at the warrant.
No can do. I'm familiar with the law. You guys were here the other day, correct?
We weren't, no.
Okay.
We weren't here.
Well, my wife was, and she has 2 law degrees. And as stated, this will be forwarded to her daughter, who's a political appointee by the current administration at the Department of Justice in Washington. A lot of people don't know that. Go get the warrant and then come back. You think that he's coming out there? I know my rights. I can quote constitutional law all day long. I may have long hair, but I wouldn't let it fool me. I wouldn't let it fool you.
Well, sir, we're not trying to play any tricks on you, okay? There is paperwork for him to go up to the intake officer to get that paperwork signed, okay?
Yeah, well then I will wait until it's signed.
Well, he's got to come up there.
Doesn't work that way, pal. You know that and I know that. I know the law. I know the law.
So he needs to be present for the paperwork to be signed.
That ain't going to happen, pal.
It's getting signed.
I have an attorney that, listen, I have an attorney in this area.
Real quick, sir, so we can have a conversation back and forth.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Right? For the paperwork to be signed, he needs to be present so it can be served on him. So he can...
Will not happen. That's not how it works.
Okay. How does it work?
You tell me.
I just did.
No. Unless there's a warrant, we're in the curtilage of our home, and according to Collins v. Virginia 2018, we do not have to come out. I can quote knock and talk, I can quote constitutional law, I can quote case law, judicial precedent, whichever route you want to go, but he will not come out. Sorry. No can do.
You realize that we're going to come back?
That's fine.
We go to meet him at his school, we go to your job, you know what I mean?
Hey, listen, are you trying to threaten me?
No, I'm just telling you that he has to have the paperwork served on him.
Well, then do it.
All right, you have a day in court, okay? We don't know.
Hey, listen, you're barking up the wrong tree, okay? I know law. I'm just going to leave it at that. And what you're saying is, puts a smile on my face because it tells me that you guys don't have anything. If you have a warrant for his arrest, bring it.
Okay, he's just explaining to you.
It's not going to happen. I'm telling you, it's not going to happen.
Now, it'll be simple. We go up there, we take care of some paperwork.
No, you're not coming in the home. Without a warrant, you will not enter my home. Where are you guys out of? Is it Franconia? Okay. Well, then you don't have far of a drive to go and get the paperwork signed and brought over.
It's already signed.
But then why didn't you bring it?
It's already signed. It's on our warrant deck. It's on Fairfax.
You guys aren't making any sense. With all respect, you're not making any sense.
That's how our policies are, sir. When the warrant
That's fine. But law says unless you bring a warrant, he will not go. And then you were talking about the workplace and different things. I perceive that as
what I'm saying is you can handle it right now.
handle what right now?
We have to keep looking, meeting you at different places. That's what I'm.
What do you mean meeting us at different places? You just showed up here. This is where he lives. It ain't going to work. I'm telling you now. It will not work. I live in Texas, so I'm familiar with Texas law, okay? I'm not licensed here, but I have attorney friends here, and I have one that's going to be representing him in juvenile law. And I just got off the phone talking with her moments ago. So I suggest that you guys go and get the warrant the way that it's supposed to be done, and then come back. Otherwise, see, look, I'll tell you this. In Texas, it's like here.
We're in Virginia.
I understand that. I'm not stupid. If you had a warrant, you'd be coming in and showing it, and he'd be coming out. I am just floored at the position that you're standing here saying that you want him to come there and sign something, and you have a warrant, but you have no warrant on you. But you want me to bring him out to you.
Okay, so when the paperwork, right? When we obtain a warrant, okay, juvenile or adult, it gets signed by a magistrate. If I may, quick, okay? It already gets signed, which means it's already valid, which means your son is wanted, okay? All that we're saying is that we take him down
To serve the
to
paperwork.
serve it on him.
It's not going to happen.
An issue.
Will not happen. If you want a civil rights lawsuit against the respondent being Fairfax County, good luck.
Do you want to call up the
No, I'm not going to call anybody. That's your job.
we already did. We already did.
Well, then go get it. We're at a stalemate. If you guys had something, you'd already be coming in. If there was a state of exigency, you'd be coming through the door. If I gave you permission, you'd come through the door. If you had a warrant, you'd come through the door. You don't have either of the three, any of the three. I hope not. Because I'm already have somebody that's going to be filing a civil rights lawsuit against the department. The respondent will be the county, of course.
All right, well, we'll be back.
That's what I thought. It's exactly what I thought.
All right, we'll see you, bud.
An arrest warrant authorizes police to take a specific person into custody based on probable cause that they committed a crime. A search warrant allows police to search a specific location for evidence related to a crime, and typically requires a higher level of probable cause than an arrest warrant. In this next clip, the police have neither. They get caught in the act of trying to break into the man's home. Let's watch.
Yo, out my house. First of all, out my house. Dad's and Bane number now. All right, come on. Out my door. Out my door, officer. Out my door,
Sir,
out my door, officer. Out my door, please.
sir, she's here to
Out my door. Name and badge number, please.
Just let her get her stuff.
Name and badge number, please.
You don't have to worry about her no more.
Name and badge number. Name and badge number.
Just let her get her
All right, sir. No, out my house.
She needs to get her stuff.
You can speak to me outside.
Come on.
You can speak to me outside. Come on. You ain't gonna run up in my house like that.
Nobody ran up.
No, you ain't running up in my house like that.
Nobody ran up in your house.
Sir, you just invaded my privacy. All right? That's Title 18242. You're not gonna do that to me. That's not happening today.
Relax.
All right?
All right. She's here.
This one broke into my house, so she want to do that. She can make an appointment.
This is the appointment.
This is not an appointment. She called you. That's it. That's nice. Did she have a warrant? She has a warrant. She have our stuff written down.
Sir,
all right,
you told her to get a police escort. We're here now.
Excuse me?
You told her to get a police escort.
You had that documented.
That's what she said. She said
you had this documented
to get her a police escort. We're here now.
You had this documented. You had this documented.
What's the issue why she can't get her things?
Because I don't know what thing she wants. She wasn't even living here. So whatever. Bruh, go drive illegal somewhere. Go drive illegal somewhere.
And then she bounced.
Drive illegal somewhere.
No more.
Her stuff was moved from the living room. She was told from the living room to the basement.
Yeah, it was outside. So
You put her stuff outside?
yep, it's not part of my whistle name. So I don't know what she want to do.
So all her stuff was outside at one point.
Yeah, you're gonna have to ask my wife that. So yeah, I mean, but you're not gonna run in my house like that. So you already know it's the IA report coming. Excuse me?
Who is she to you?
Pardon? She's nothing. She's nothing. She's nothing to me. I don't have to answer your questions.
So did she have anything this year?
Oh no, let me. I'll go
I
check.
was friends with his wife.
Friends with his wife.
So they let you stay here for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was here for like 3 months.
For 3 months, okay. And then you just moved out and they moved all your stuff outside?
No, they kicked me out.
They kicked you out?
Yeah, she left.
Like I said, a bunch of drama.
How did they kick you out?
The priest. Inform
They
that.
refused to let me back in, and at the time I had a warrant. So he told me if I came back to the house, he was calling the cops on me.
They locked you up.
She broke in my house. She broke in my house. I had the incident number.
Relax.
I did never broke in your house.
Relax. Stop acting like children out here. Okay, so you lived here till what day?
I've been out 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
So when you left 2 months ago, what happened? How did you leave 2 months ago?
I just left willingly because I couldn't afford to get locked up. I had a warrant at the time.
Okay, so you left willingly 2 months ago.
Yes.
What was the communication between you guys for the property
Nothing.
that was left here?
Nothing. They refused to talk.
So you guys haven't had any
They had refused to talk to me because they thought I called back this morning.
Okay, so for the last 2 months you haven't had any communication.
No. They were.
Excuse me, officer.
Go outside. She has it.
Her mother.
Go.
Oh, okay.
Go. Hold this.
His wife was contacting her mother.
This female here?
No.
Someone
She
else?
lives over on Randall Street.
Okay.
They were contacting her, telling her about my stuff.
And what was the communication with that?
She just told me because I live next door
You live next door to his
their mother.
What was the communication about your stuff? What was said?
They just said that if I didn't come get my stuff with a police escort, that they was gonna bring.
How
They was
long
gonna
ago
put my
was that
stuff.
conversation?
I don't know.
Was it 2 months ago?
No.
Yes, it's been
A
over
month
there.
ago? Man, relax.
No, it's only been like 2 weeks since they said that.
Okay, but it's been 2 months that you haven't been here to pick up the stuff?
Yeah, because I couldn't.
How much stuff did you have inside?
A couple of bags.
What was a couple bags? What was in the bags?
My clothes, stuff that I had for my kids. I have a camera in there. My tablet was in there. My iPhone
So you
was
pretty
in
much
there.
know everything that was in there was left in here, okay?
Yes.
All right, make a list, go to the courts, a silver salt, a silver suit. Sue them for whatever you left here and take it to the courts. Okay?
Okay.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. I applaud this man for keeping his cool and standing on his rights. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment to keep the conversation going, and smash that like and subscribe button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push these videos out for others to enjoy and helps grow the channel. See you on the next one. Peeps out.